Yo, hello people. Yes, my name is Manu. I'm a co-founder of Manu. And Manu is a project which is more about upcycling. We are dealing in waste, more especially papers and plastic. So, Manu, we are bringing a big impact in this society. We are working with single mothers and widows, working with these women and young girls and everyone. It's really exciting me. I find it so great because I get to learn a lot and to share with people, always my people in the community, here in Kampala slums and also both in Nakuru Valley, refugee settlement. So here I'm getting to reach so many people and teaching women and giving back hope to people who were hopeless, depressed. As we have a saying of waste is waste. When you waste it, you could really bring that perspective to people and try to show them that we don't really need to destroy our environment. From this, you can do something out of it. You can gain something out of it. Yeah, so this is one of the final products. As you can see, these are papers. This is a finished paper like this, rolled and glassed. This is a kitenge, a piece of kitenge fabric. Yeah, as you can see, it's not just a necklace, but a necklace with a story behind. Almost 80% recycled. Yeah, so this is how it looks like later. So buy one to save lives, buy one to educate, buy one to support young people, buy one to support women, young girls. Yes, so yeah, thank you very much.